Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get finance jobs in the USA. First, focus on securing a strong educational foundation. A bachelor's degree in finance, economics, or a related quantitative field is often a prerequisite. Next, cultivate essential skills such as financial modeling, data analysis, and communication. These are highly valued across all finance sectors. Finally, research specific areas of finance that align with your interests, like investment banking or corporate finance. To truly stand out, consider pursuing advanced education. An MBA from a reputable university can open doors to senior positions and provide a broader business perspective. Additionally, professional certifications like the Chartered Financial Analyst or CFA designation are highly respected. These credentials demonstrate a deep commitment to the field, signaling to employers that you possess a comprehensive understanding of financial principles and ethical standards, making you a more competitive candidate. Networking is absolutely crucial in the finance industry. Attend industry events, connect with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn, and conduct informational interviews. These connections can lead to valuable insights and potential job opportunities. Gaining practical experience through internships is also vital. Aim for at least 1 or 2 internships during your studies to apply your knowledge and build your resume. Participating in finance clubs and case competitions further enhances your skills and visibility. When applying, customize your resume and cover letter for each role, highlighting relevant skills and experiences. Practice common interview questions, especially those related to financial concepts and behavioral scenarios. Be ready to discuss your understanding of market trends and company specifics. Remember, persistence is key in your job search. Explore various job boards and company career pages. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Good luck with your finance career journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.